Hi, I'm Susan from SRM Stickers, and I'm here today to give you a tip of the day from Scrapbook Expo. Today's tip involves clear purses from SRM's collection of containers. Let's go over and take a look at what this container looks like. When you buy it, it's flat. This little purse comes clear. It's not embossed in any way, but because it's flat, you can take it and put it through an embossing machine. This one I did little daisies on the embossing machine, and this is what it looks like when you're done, where it has the clear daisies, and that's so much fun. It's food safe. You can put whatever you want inside of it. How cute that would be at a birthday party or maybe a baby shower. And let's go take a look at what they look like when you decorate them. Now, you can decorate them with almost anything you have in your stash. And that's great because you all have leftover papers and little bits of ribbon and such. And so on this one, the first one, it is a little thank you with the daisy, the punches, some used leftover paper, a border, and some twine. And all we used on that were 2 stickers from SRM, stickers by the dozen, so you can make a dozen of these little purses from that one sheet, and the thank you borders, which can be used to embellish as well. And then the second one is a little birthday one. And this one is from our new birthday birdie, and it's got ribbon, some leftover paper, some punched pieces, and a little bit of a border. And again, we just changed the theme, but it's basically the same. You decorate your little embellished or embossed purse with whatever theme you want. So you can do it fancier for a wedding, you can do it as a graduation or shower. These are very versatile. As I said, they're food safe and very inexpensive. So look for SRM containers at your local scrapbook store. And this has been your tip of the day from Scrapbook Expo.